In this video, I will review the primary configuration settings for the proposal. At the top, click on Proposal Fields to decide which native fields you would like to turn on or off. These are the default fields that you can choose from. For example, you can choose the rate card to appear, or assigned to, or the department, or the invoice date you expect, description. These native fields can be extended through custom fields, but this is how you turn on or off fields on a proposal. From there, you'll see a checkbox for enabling time line items for labor and expense line items for other expenses. Normally, these are both turned on by default. You can also then decide what scale you want the decimal point to go out to. So, for example, if you have a complex rate, you may want to change the time scale to be 3 or 4. So that means the calculations will go out to 3 or 4 decimal places instead of 2. Same thing for the expense line. Then under expense line, there's an additional option for creating a split line. When you're forecasting lines from your proposal, you can split those lines, meaning you can change the quantity to split them out for different dates and quantities. So that's generally used for forecasting. So if you're not forecasting, then you don't need to worry about that. The final thing to consider in the primary configuration are which line item fields do you want to turn on. And I recommend time and expense line should be the same. So on the timeline, you might want to put the date, or the line number is on by default, but you can add the task type or the resource type or time code. You can have discount on the line or markup on the line. There's a location possibility, what's completed on there. So these are different options for showing native fields for time and expense line items. And those are the line items that go on. I'm going to a proposal now. Those are the fields in these line items here. So what you turn on and off is what appears on a proposal line item, or this is the big form, the full form as well. So inline, you can always have a field enabled and then not display it on a proposal by right mouse clicking, but that's what those configuration values do for time and expense lines.